Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be reviewing this Ferrex Cordless Hedge trimmer. Right, so looking at the box itself, this is the cordless hedge trimmer from Ferrex model FS-AHS 20. It has a cutting length of 510mm, cutting capacity of 14mm, multi-position front handle for convenient and safe operation, dual action blades for high cutting performance and low vibration levels, laser cut blades for clean cuts, blade tip protector, soft grip for safe and comfortable working, metal gear for long service life, electric quick stop, two-hand safety switch, solid blade cover. So it uses the 20 volt active energy batteries from Aldi. You can buy them online or in store.
Here is everything that came in the box. So you can just remove the protective cover from the blade. This works with the active energy batteries, the 20 volt and the 20/40 volt. For this session I'm going to be using the 20 volt 2 amp hour battery. The lever to turn the machine on is nice and comfortable. So now it was time to get to work cutting my privet hedge. I've got two sides of this hedge. So the hedge cutter went through the privet really easily, really effortlessly, and it had plenty of power to do this. I cut both sides and they're about 20 feet in length each side, and I didn't run out of battery, so the 2 amp hour battery was enough to get this whole job completed. And that's the first side done, before and after. And here is the other side of the hedge. And that was the other side done. Then I could just put the protective cover back on the blade. It states on the label it's 95 decibels, which I didn't find to be too loud at all. Here is a shot of the blade. And it has a flat base so it doesn't fall over, which is really handy.
Okay, so that is about it for this review video. My first impressions of this cordless hedge trimmer are very good. I like the 14mm capacity on the blade, so it cuts even some of the thicker branches. So with my privet hedge, it was just gliding through it like butter. It had no problem at all, and the length of the blade is also good. It's quite a long blade, so you don't need to be bending over too far when you're up the ladder doing the top of the hedge, because it has the length. It is very lightweight, as you can see. It doesn't cause any problems when you're holding it, not for me anyway. And the trigger button works very well. It's nice. I like it. It's not too loud. It's just fine. It has the protective cover, and I think it is a good hedge trimmer, especially for the money. And if you already have active energy batteries and a charger, then this will just fit into the range nicely. So that is about it for this video. If you liked the video, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.